2 months ago when I got these packages, I didn't have a working backpack sprayer, but now I do. So let's check out what's inside. What's up guys, I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. I'm unboxing these on camera, so I guess I've got one take to do this. But long story short, I reached out to Simple Lawn Solutions and asked them if they would be interested in sending me some products to showcase on the channel. And that's what we've got here in these boxes. I'm not sure which boxes are which, and to be honest with you, at this point, I don't even really remember what all I ended up ordering, but I did get the gallon products. So the first one that comes out of the box is the Lawn Booster 600, and I will kind of just present all of them to y'all in that manner. Second one here is Lawn Food, which is a 16:4:8 analysis. So I can get that box out of the way and move up the next one. And this is actually a bundle that I got, and I'll look up the name of the bundle and put it on the screen because I don't remember it off the top of my head. But it comes with an array of different products. So this is some root hume. And then this is seaweed and humic acid concentrate. So those will both be products that you'd use on the soil. And then now this final one. We've got Lawn Booster liquid iron. And that is what I'm going to be applying today, at least one of the products. The analysis on that is a 0.7500, so not much nitrogen, but obviously it's going to have a higher iron content. And then this one is just Lawn Food 2800, so that is just nitrogen on that one. So that's going to push growth in your lawn. And that is the whole bundle, 6 total products. If you're interested in helping support the channel and getting your hands on some quality lawn products, Simple Lawn Solutions was nice enough to get me my own affiliate link. And if y'all order through my affiliate link, and I'll flash it on the screen and leave it in the description box below the video, then you will get 10% off your entire cart. My family and I are actually going out of town here pretty soon for a few days, so I don't want to put anything out with too much nitrogen. And today I'm just going to make an application with the Lawn Booster 600 and then the Lawn Booster liquid iron. Remember, anytime you're putting out a liquid iron product, you're hoping that it's going to result in a nice dark green color in your lawn. The iron says we need to mix 3 ounces of fertilizer per gallon of water, and then the 600 says we need to mix 4 ounces of fertilizer per gallon of water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to get to spraying. I've got the tank loaded up. We're going to use the full 4 gallons today. I did add a little surfactant to the products as well, just so it will stick to the leaf blade of the plant a little better. And just like I always do, I'm going to mix it up with my paint attachment here. And then once I'm finished mixing this up, we'll be ready to apply. Just emptied the tank, and I wanted to make sure to give y'all a proper before video. So this is what the yard is looking like right now. And then of course I'll jump back on here in a few days and show y'all the results. And hopefully we can see a difference. Hopefully we can get this yard a few shades darker. So I'll see y'all then. And we're back, and it is 3 days later, and here are the results of the iron application and then the Lawn Booster 600. And I can't say I have a photographic memory, but I'm almost positive that this is a few shades darker green than it was in that before clip. And here is a close-up of the grass. And I also have the fact that today was water day going for me. So I just got a nice mow in. I watered this morning, and we have a lot of sun out right now and the sun's setting. So have a lot of things in my favor, but I would say you cannot deny that these are some pretty nice results. And here's a shot of the backyard. And it's not as pretty as the front, but it holds its own pretty well. This is mainly the playground for the kids. And you can see the front's their playground as well, but the dogs as well. And it also responded pretty well to that application a few days ago. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content and want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider, out.